So now in the previous video, we've looked at the beginning of this topic, floral formula. And in conclusion, we said there happens to be the shorthand way of representing the structure of a flower. And we said the order to that remains what? Number one is symmetry. Number two is sexuality. Number three is what? Calyx. Number four, corolla. Number five, hydration. Number last is what? Gynation. Meaning, irrespective of the way you actually write the order, irrespective of the way you are writing your floral formula, you must make sure that the matters of the what? Of the symmetry comes first. The symmetry comes first, and then the last is the what now? Gynoation. Now, you must understand that this gynoation, they are of three kinds. Gynoation. We have this, we have this, and we have this. Now, this talks of superior ovary. And superior ovary happens to be hypogynous. This is inferior ovary. This is the symbol for inferior ovary. Inferior ovary can be called epigynous, and this is called perigynous ovary. Perigynous ovary, or half inferior ovary. So these are the three kinds. So if we say gynation is going to be the last, most times information could be that it could either be superior ovary, could that be inferior, or perigynous. Now, pay attention. If in a question you are giving, they didn't specify if it is superior, inferior, half. Just target that it is superior. That's if it's not stated. Just assume that it is superior. All right, let us venture into what we have for today. So for today, we are looking at symbols and meaning. Now, if you see a symbol like this signifies bisexual. That means it is both male and female. Remember that when you see a sign like this signifies female. When you have a sign like this, the arrow sign, this signifies male. And when you have both, this signifies bisexuality. That means, or hermaphrodite. Are we there now? So be aware. So that's what it's for. We have this to be bisexual, both the stamen and carpels are together, or unisexual. And if I have this is a unisexual. That means one sex, and the unisexual is what? Female. If I have this is also a unisexual. But the unisexual is what now? Male. Uni simply means one sex. This one means what now? Two. I believe you are getting it. So that's done. So this is symbol. K signifies calyx, which is fusion of sepals. C, capital letter T, signifies corolla, which is fusion of petals. Then we have the P here. P is talking about perianth, and that is undifferentiated sepal and petal. That means when the both are not different, when they are fused together. Another word there is the word tepal. You can check the meaning of this word through your AI or Google. It simply means when sepal and petal are not well differentiated, when they are not separated, when they are not distinct. Then we come here. We have A for what? Andration, which is collection of stamen. We have the G for gynation, which is collection of carpel. Then don't forget what I said here concerning this guy, that it could be superior, could be inferior, and it could be half inferior. Then we have this bracket sign here, which simply means fusion, fusion of similar parts. Listen, is what? Fusion of similar parts. E.g., a united petal. Could be a united sepal. Could even be a united carpel. Now we have this symbol here, signifies adnation, which is fusion of different parts. Now it could also be, this symbol could also be used. This symbol could also be used to represent adnation. Remember that this one signifies what now? Fusion of similar parts. Abi, fusion of similar parts. This one means what? Adnation of fusion of what? Different parts. So if it is different part, it is what? Adnation. If it is similar part, it is what? Fusion. Are we there? Now we have these symbols. This symbol here and this signal wave signifies actinomorphic symmetry. In terms of symmetry, which is body division, at least primarily we have this. We also have this. At least I think in zoology we have bilateral symmetry. Then we also have bilateral symmetry. We also have radial symmetry. Abi? Now, in this field, in botany now, bilateral symmetry is also called zygomorphic what? Symmetry. And actinomorphic symmetry is called what now? Radial symmetry. Are we there? So the symbol for zygomorphic is this arrow sign facing up. While the symbol for actinomorphic is what? This and this. So that's why you have this. Actinomorphic is this, which is radial symmetry. Zygomorphic is this arrow sign looking up. Or you also have these signs, but primarily they use this sign. Then we have the ovary position. Ovary position could definitely be different. I've shown you in the other one. The ovary position, we could be this, and this. So memorize, and make sure you get to a point where you actually get it. Then this symbol simply means numerous. Anytime in numerous or infinite. That means it is countless. Now, what we have here are not just all the symbols that we have, but these are the primary symbols that at least you can use to answer many questions, as long as botany is concerned. So in our next session, we're going to be treating questions. We're going to be applying this into questions.